Cassie, you know, in a lot of ways, oh, wait a second, I'm sorry, I should be doing this. Okay. Now, in a lot of ways, this is just such a good assignment because it really is an exercise in creativity. And then also we're going to learn how to develop a visual narrative in a way that is crystal clear. And it's really a great assignment because, you know, for example, I know Jay is the instructor, Professor Hollick is, where the heck am I here? Is the Professor James right here. Jay is the an outstanding illustrator, and he is showing some good examples here, and he left some really great um, tips and throughout his response here. But I just want to add kind of what he's saying here, and I want to kind of bounce off of what he's saying and some of his comments in that. It's up to us to really determine how to tell this visual story. So the setup is of paramount importance, right? These are great ideas. All of them are fantastic ideas that will work. Now, what you want to do is determine which one is the one you want to use. Okay, so, and I'm okay with whatever you decide, but what you want to do is set up the narrative. So once you choose the direction you want to go, you want to start really planning out the narrative and how are you going to tell the story. Okay, so for example, let's just use the pie tin as a dustpan. So you could set the story up like this. So there's a woman or a guy cleaning his apartment. He's putting stuff away. He's got his cleaning materials out, and then all of a sudden, then you show him sweeping. He's sweeping. Got a big pile of garbage. Looking around for a dustpan. Doesn't have a dustpan. What do I do now? I don't have a dustpan. Then the aha moment. I have a pie tin. So you show him going to the refrigerator, taking the pie out of the tin, cutting the tin in half, and then sweeping up the mess. So that is an example of a well-designed narrative. Let me show you another example. And this one's a visual narrative. But these examples that I'm in the begin page, by the way, but these examples, this one especially, now let me just describe what we have. Introduction of the characters, introduction of the setting, introduction of the problem, possible failed solution, the aha moment, introduction of the solution, implementation of the solution, results or kind of exercising the solution, final result, and then the epilogue. Okay, this is crystal clear. There's no mistaking what's going on in this narrative. That's what we're after. That's exactly what we're after. So, so Cassie, that's what we want to do. We want to first pick one that you want to proceed with, then start thinking. You know, think for a while. How am I going to set this up? All right, that's where we'll pick up. All right, great job, man. Hey, Cassie, if you have any questions at all, let me know. But these are just wonderful ideas, and I think you're doing a really good job here. So, nice. Questions, comments, concerns, clarifications, you know the drill. I'm right here, right? Also, if you're having trouble determining how to establish a narrative, let me know. I've got a lot of experience with my instructional illustration work that in setting up narratives. So I'll be able to help you out. If you need help, let me know. All right, great. Thank you very much.